Hi everyone. Don't know what's going on in Gosainon, but literally there's like a police helicopter circling. We had a Coast Guard one just now, but that one's gone. But this is a police helicopter. Wouldn't surprise me if there's like a accident on the M4. Oh my god, no. Yeah, they got their lasers on now. The searchlight. So I don't know what's going on. Could be a killer on the loose. Or a burglary. But you can hear it. Because there was this Coast Guard one here. And now there's a police helicopter one. Like, wouldn't surprise me if, like, could be a murder, could be somebody, a murder on the loose. So the helicopter should be coming back around the corner. Oh, there it is up there. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, guys. This is all in Gosainon. Like, I don't know if somebody got out of jail and they're trying to run away, or a burglary. I have no fucking clue what's going on. I'm not going to stay out too long in case there's a murderer on the loose trying to kill people. But I doubt it anyway. I have no fucking clue what's going on. And this is all happening in like Gosainon. So I'm trying to figure out like what the heck is going on. There it is there. They might be looking for me actually because I'm filming. I better not wave. Oh my god, why is it coming fast? They got their thermals on now. I don't know what the heck is going on, guys. I think that's a Coast Guard one again. I think. Oh my god, it's all kicking off like.